Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about your iPhone is listening and tracking you, and if you want to avoid, you have to turn off these settings immediately. So if you want to check for these settings, then you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. Now what you have to do, you have to simply review some settings so that if your iPhone is listening and tracking you, it must turn off your settings immediately. And if you turn these settings off, it will not track and listen to you. So if you want to turn off these settings, then you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to privacy and security here. So I will tell you one by one. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply review the location services. So first of all, if you do not provide location access to any app, then you can simply turn this setting from here. Moreover, if you want to check which of the apps are sharing your location, so you can check for your settings here. So here you can simply see that your location is shared to Find My iPhone, and after that you can simply check for your location. Now you can also check which of the apps are using your location, and if you want to check and if you want to limit the apps, then you can simply click on the apps, and after that you can simply click on never, and it will not access your location. So here you have to make sure about that. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to system services, and you have to turn off the setting which you do not want to allow to use your settings. So here you can simply turn off the iPhone analytics because it will use your location access and it will send to you to the Apple. So you have to turn this off setting immediately. So after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now here you have to simply click on tracking, and after that you have to turn off this setting immediately if you do not want any app to track you. So here you can simply turn off this setting. But if you want to limit the apps and you want to uh, turn off the specific apps so that they don't try to track you, so you can simply turn off the settings for that app, and after that you can simply go back and check for the next settings, and here you can simply check for the other apps which use your privacy and security. So here you have to simply check for your accessories, which means whether any of the accessories which are being tracked by the Apple. So you have to simply click on accessories, and you have to check whether your iPhone access is available to any of the apps or not. So you can also check for your camera whether which of the apps have been provided the camera access. So you can simply click on that apps, and you can, if you want to turn off the access of that app, then you can simply turn off that app camera access, and after that you can simply go back and move to the next settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply click on microphone here, and here you can simply check which of the app has been provided with microphone access, and if you do not want any of the apps to use your microphone access, then you can simply turn off that app microphone access. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back and check for the next settings. So here you can simply click on sensitive content warning, and you have to simply turn these settings off. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on analytics and improvements, and here you can simply turn off this setting immediately. Here is written share iPhone analytics, which means if you turn this setting on, then it will share your data and analytics to the Apple, and Apple will use that your analytics and all of the data to their improvers. So here you can simply click on Apple advertising. So if you do not want the personalized ads, so you can simply turn this toggle off, and you can also check view ad targeting information, and after that you can simply check whether any of the option is haunting you or not. So the next thing you have to do is you have to simply make sure that you have turned on the stolen device protection, so it will add extra security layer. And the next thing you have to check is you have to check whether for the Siri, which means if whether your Siri is using your tracking or using your voice or anything that may haunt you or sending your data. So you have to simply turn this off. So here you can simply check for the settings whether Siri is using your voice. So you have to simply check for that. And moreover, you can simply go back and click on Siri and dictation history, and you can simply delete Siri and dictation history. And after that, you have to go back. Now here you can simply also check for the Bluetooth access, which means any of the apps is using your Bluetooth access or not. If your Bluetooth is turned on, and you have to check whether any of the apps or any of the devices connected to your Bluetooth and not sending any of the data. So you can simply check for the accessibility settings and also check whether any of the options are here and sharing data. So you can simply check for all these settings which I am sharing. So you have to make sure about that. So hope you have liked this video, and to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.